Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use AI tool that can helps you generate images for free. Here you can go and type Yupp AI. You can open this website and after that now scroll down, click here sign in with Google. And now let me select one of Google account, then allow access. Now account is created. Now let me go back and ask ChatGPT to create a prompt. Create a prompt to generate image for top 5 cars in the world. Press enter. Okay, it has started generating image. Now again I need prompt only in text format. Now I can copy it and then add this prompt here. Then click here send prompt. Now scroll down. Here you can see two of the AI tools are generating different images. Now if I scroll down, that looks perfect. So you can select one of these. You can also get both of the images. These are the full HD images. You can click here and after that you can save these images in your laptop.